Hello friends, today we are going to deal with an everyday life model for a better buy of a printer. Now let's have a look at our problem. You have decided to buy a printer and have narrowed it down to two choices. First, the laser printer costs 150 euros, but the average cost of each paper is 1.5 cents. The other option is an inkjet printer which costs 30 euros, but each page has an average cost of 6 cents. Determine the condition, for example the number of pages you print, where each printer is a better buy. The first thing we must do is to write down the linear function for each printer, which gives the cost. For the laser printer, Y is the cost. This is the fixed cost, the price of the printer, which is 150 euros, and this is the cost of each page. And X is the number of pages. So for the laser printer, this is the linear function. We shall do the same for the inkjet printer, which is 30, the fixed cost, plus 6 cents for each paper. Then we must first of all we must solve the system. Solving this system gives X equals approximately this number of pages, and the Y is approximately 190 euros. So this is the intersection point of these two lines, as we are going to see a bit later. Now, the second move is to sketch the graphs of these two linear functions, and we construct these two tables, one for each printer. If we put X here, 0 here, we get 150. And if we put 2667 here, we get 190. For the inkjet printer, we have 0, 30, and 2667, 190 euros is the cost. Now, what we must do next is to sketch the graphs of these two functions. These are the two graphs. This is for the inkjet printer, this is for the laser printer. The intersection point here is the number of pages, which gives the same cost for both printers. Now, what is the information that we get from these two graphs? Let's see. If we want to print more pages than this number of pages, more than 2667 pages, laser printer is cheaper. So we must choose laser printer. But if we intend to print less than this number of pages, in this area here, inkjet printer is cheaper, because here inkjet printer, the line of inkjet printer is below the line of the laser printer, and vice versa in case of choosing to print more than 2667 pages. Thank you all for watching this video.